Each member of the group was assigned to know the certain value of a fixed resistor, which will be plotted in the table. There are a total of 5 resistors that has 4 bands in it, wherein the first and second band is considered the first and second digit or the significant digits. The third band, which serves as the multiplier, and the fourth band represents the tolerance. In determining its value, we use the color coding technique, chart in the calculator. The first thing to do is to look at the first and second color of the resistor, and we use the chart as a basis to know its value. Next is to get the value of the third band, which will be the multiplier of the first and second digit, the significant digits. Lastly is to get the value of tolerance by looking at the fourth band.
We determine the value of the resistance of a resistor through its colors of its bands. Then, the resistor 2 is the highest value of fixed resistor, which the value is 2,250,000, while the resistor 3 is the lowest value of fixed resistor, which is the value is 2.8. Analysis. You can determine the value of the resistance of a resistor through its colors of its band, by determining easily the resistance and tolerance through the resistor color codes. Then, our comparison, resistor 2 is highest value of fixed resistor, which the value is 2,250,000, while the resistor 3 is the lowest value of fixed resistor, which the value is 2.8.
Good morning, everyone, and this is a discussion of a laboratory experiment. We describe that the fixed resistors are the resistors whose resistance does not replace with a change in voltage or temperature. Available in various shapes and sizes are called fixed resistors. They are handled out with electronic circuits to set the right conditions in a circuit. Their values are set during the design phase of the circuit. Colored band and the fixed resistors are the tiny resistor that is used colored painted band to indicate both resistive value and their tolerance with the physical size of the resistors, indicating its voltage rating. Resistors are present everywhere in our daily life, mostly electronic boards and devices utilized by them, like our refrigerators, phones, and home appliances.
Fixed resistors are one type of linear resistor. A resistor is said to be a fixed resistor if its value is fixed. The value of fixed resistor can be varied like a variable resistor as its value is determined at the time of manufacturing itself. Fixed resistors are classified into different types, depending upon their manufacturing processes and the materials used in their manufacturing. Carbon composition. Carbon composition resistors are blend of carbon particles, graphite, and ceramic dust mixed with binder substance like clay. This mixture is treated with high pressure and temperature. After the whole thing is molded in case, the lids are fixed. Thermal mass of the carbon composition resistor is higher so as to withstand high energy pulsing. These resistors have low stability and high noise, which is disadvantage. Carbon composition resistors are used in surge protection, current limiting, and high voltage power supplies.
Good morning, guys. This is conclusion about lab report in fixed resistor. The student successfully construct a fixed bias voltage divider bias and collector feedback bias circuit respectively. In fixed bias circuit, a DC source is applied to the collector and base of the translator using only two resistors In this condition, the student found out that by merely changing the value of the resistor, the base current can be adjusted to the desired value. And by using the B relationship, IC can also be found out accordingly. Hence, the Q point can be adjusted just by changing the value of the resistor connected to the base. And aside from using devices such as multi-tester, the resistant value of a resistor can be determined by its color coding. There are small differences between measured and color-coded values of the resistance. This difference may be caused by some factors such as the multiverse used in the experiment and some mistake made by experiments. It is much easier to read resistance value of a resistor through a digital multi-tester that by using an analog multi-tester and by color coding. In addition, in using an analog multi-tester, you have to first consider the range of the resistance and make the zero. Using analog multi-tester, you have to first adjustment in every reading.